Hi, this is Rakesh and you are watching Royal Technology. In this video, I will show you how to boot your HP laptop through USB device. So, if you are searching this kind of video, so this is the perfect video for you. So, let's start the video. So, first plug the bootable pen drive and restart your laptop, and then from your keyboard press F12 once it is rebooting. Then keep on pressing this button. Keep on pressing. It will show a option left bottom corner, then you can stop. So keep on pressing. As you can see, I'm pressing it continuously. Then we are almost done. It will show left bottom corner. It is depend on your laptop speed. So as you can see, it is showing few options that it is initializing now. It is trying to go inside. So once you come here, then you can press escape from your keyboard. Then it will come to this option. Over here there are many options, so from here you have to select the boot menu. So we are trying to boot from USB, so we have to select this option. You can use the up and down arrow key and come to this option and then press enter. Then you will go inside, and over here the second option, it will show the pen drive. As you can see, it is showing this SanDisk pen drive I have, so it is showing the second option. So from here we have to select the boot device. So we have selected the pen drive and just select and enter. Then it will boot from USB pen drive. If you're facing any issue, if it is showing any error, do comment. We will reply to all the comments. If anyone is facing this kind of issue, share this video with them. And if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.